Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll share with you how to add the team member and reset your login password. Share to team member means that you can create an account for your manager or partner or the supervisor for them to log in into the FeedMe portal and edit like the menu, check on the report and do some stock adjustment. Then also we'll teach you how to reset your portal password because better to change your password every month. Thank you. Okay, first log into your FeedMe portal. Then click on menu and select HRM. Then click on team members. So from here, you'll show who's the business owner and your other partner or manager. You can add them and set permission. So how to add? Very simple. Click add member and then invite them by using phone number or email. So normally we use phone number. If they haven't registered, very simple. Share the link, which is portal.feedme.cc, and ask them to register. Once register done, then you are able to search their phone number and add them. Just click search user. Once search and select it, then you show like this. Then you can set your permission for the menu or the stock, or you can set for the warehouse or select restaurant that allow them to control. Then also you can select the role. Then after that, just click update. If you want to remove, very simple. Click on here and click remove. You also can filter by permission or filter by restaurant. If you want to reset your FeedMe portal password, very simple. Go to the FeedMe portal, then click on sign in, key in your phone number, then just click forgot your password. Then you'll send SMS to your phone. Fill in the code, just click to verify. Then you can fill in your new password and just click reset. Then you're able to log in again using your new password. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari POS system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Seng.
Aseng.
找POS system,找Seng.